Okay, friends, this is lesson 4.2. You have your books open to page 244. We are going to continue on from yesterday, and today we are going to be focusing on how we can make one add-in, and remember that's one of the numbers in our addition sentence, how we can make one add-in the next tens number to be able to complete and find our sum, which is the answer to an addition problem. So what they have for me is they have 37 plus 25, and they already have it drawn out for me using their quick tens, so I can see 3 tens, 7 ones, 2 tens, 5 ones. What they're showing me is that 7 needs 3 more, so 37 needs 3 more to get to its next 10. So they're going to circle those 3 ones that are part of 25 and show it going over here. And when they do that, I would have 10, 20, 30. I created another 10, so I have 40. And then what do I have left? I have 2 tens that are left, so I have 20. And then how many ones did not get carried over? 2. So now my math problem becomes 40 plus 22. And I can count up. I can go 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. And so my answer would be 62. Okay. Number 2, the math sentence is 27 plus 46 equals blank. We're trying to solve for the sum, which is the answer to my addition sentence. My job is to make sure that one of my add-in gets to the next friendly 10. So I have 27 or 46. 7 only needs 3 more. So I'm going to take 3 from 46 and give it to 27. Because I know that 7 needs 3 more, 27 also needs 3 more, and that's going to get me to 30. So now I have 10, 20, 30. So over here on the right side, I should have started my new math sentence because I no longer have 27 plus 46. I've taken part of 46 away, taken 3 ones away and given it to 27. So now my math sentence becomes easier. I have 30 plus 10, 20, 30, 40. And then how many ones? 41, 42, 43. And now my math sentence is 30 plus 43. And I can start at 43 and I can count it by 3 tens. 43, 53, 63, 73. My answer is 73. If you feel like this is going pretty well for you, I would encourage you to stop or pause me right now and try to do number 13 on your own. Feel free to hit play again when you want to see how I solved it to make sure that we got the same answer. 14 plus 29. I know 29 only needs 1 more, so I'm going to circle 1, 1 and bring it over here. So I'm going to have 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 10, 20, 30. And I can start at 13 and count up 30. 13, 23, 33, 43. Or I could say 30 plus 10 more is 40, plus 3 more is 43. What do you think? Did we get it right? Okay. I'm going to erase and I'm going to turn on to the next page. Go ahead and make sure that you're ready for the next page as well. The next page would be page 245, and it would look like this. Okay, 18 plus 13, 24 plus 18 are our 2 problems that we're going to be focusing on. If you want to pause and work with me, or pause and work ahead of me and see if we match, that's fine. If not, we can continue to work through this together. 18 plus 13, 18 only needs 2 more to get to its next 10, so now I have 10, 20. Plus 10, 11. So I have 10, and then one that wasn't included in that group, so 20 plus 11 more. 30 plus 1 more is 31. 24 plus 18. 24, 18. Which one's closer to a friendly 10? 18 is, because it only needs 2 more. So I'm going to take 2 from the 24. And now I have 10, 20, 21, 22 left over from that 24. 10. And then I had 2 more, so 20. So now my new math sentence is 22 plus 20. So I could say at 22, 32, 42. Word problem, Lee finds 44 shells. I'm going to circle 44. And Wayne finds 39 shells, 39. How many shells do they still need if they want 90 shells in all? So friends, Lee finds 44. Wayne finds 39. I'm still missing an addend in my addition sentence, and at the very end, I want my sum to equal 90. Okay, so there is a missing part in this math equation. Lee finds 44. Wayne finds 39. They want to have 90 altogether, so how many do they still need to find? If you want to pause and try to solve it on your own, go ahead and we'll see if we match at the end. Otherwise, I'm going to solve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 4 10s and 4 1s. Then I'm going to draw 3 10s and 9 1s. Okay, 9 only needs one more, so I'm going to take this one away, put it over here, and now I have 10, 20, 30, 40. And since I only took one away here, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 plus 40, I know that that gets me to 83. But am I over? Am I done? Nope, I wanted to know how many more they still need to get 90 and all. So I have 83, I want to get to 90. I can write the subtraction sentence, 90 minus 83. I could draw a new quick picture and draw 83. And then I could count until I got to 90. Or I know that 83, after 83, my next friendly number, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 3 only needs 7 more. So my answer is going to be 7 shells. They only need 7 more shells in order to get to 90. Okay, let's try number 7. I'll read this. I want you to pause and try to solve it on your own, and then you can unpause and see if we got the right answer, okay? Number 7, Zach finds 38 sticks. Kelly finds 27 sticks. How many more sticks do the 2 children need if they want to have 70 sticks in all? That sounds very similar to problem number 6. So what I hear is that we're going to have 3 addends. 2 addends we know. We know what we want our final sum to be. We're just not sure what that 3rd addend is. Let me help you get your math sentence started. 38 plus 27 plus our missing addend, and it all needs to equal 70. Your job is you need to find what your missing addend is. I'm going to tell you your first step should be to put your 2 addends together that you know. Go ahead and pause now and try. Okay, I'm going to show you how I solved it. I drew 3 10s and 8 1s. I drew 2 10s and 7 1s. I know that 8 only needs 2 more, so I'm going to take these 2, put it over here, and now I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm changing my math sentence up a bit, and then I'm going to see what's left of 27. 2 10s, 5 1s, 25. 40 plus 25, 40, 50, 60, 5 more, 65. Is 65 my missing addend? Would that be true? 38 plus 27 equals 65? Or 38 plus 27 plus 65 would equal 70? No, that's not true, but I know that 38 plus 27 does equal 65 because I changed my math sentence to look easier by creating a friendly 10. So my problem is not done. I know that Kelly and Zach found 65 sticks in all. They wanted to find 70. How many more do they need to find? I could start at 65 and count up to 70. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So they need 5 more sticks, which means that my missing addend was the number 5. All right, let's take a look at the next page. This is typically our word problem page. I would like to encourage you to pause, do 8 and 9, and then come back and check with me and see if you got the right answer. For number 8, it says make connections. The chart shows the leaves that Philip collected, and he wants a collection of 52 leaves using only 2 colors. Which 2 colors of leaves should he use? And then number 9 says Ava has 39 sheets of paper, sheets of white paper. She has 22 sheets of green paper. Draw a picture and write to explain how to find the number of sheets of paper that Ava has. And then down here, your answer would go here. Okay, so again, go ahead and pause and see if you can figure out the answers to 8 and 9. If you need to rewind so you can hear me read it again, that's fine too. All right, for number 8, friends, your answers would have been green and yellow or yellow and green. Doesn't matter which order, right? In an addition sentence, the order doesn't matter. Okay. So you would need to have double checked your addition sentence to make sure that you got 52 as your answer. And then for number 9, Ava has 39 sheets of white paper. She has 22 sheets of green paper. Draw a picture and write to explain how to find the number of sheets that Ava has. I would have seen you draw 3 10s and 9 1s. I would have seen you draw 2 10s and 2 1s. And then we could have put them together. So 39 and 22. 39 only needs one more, and now that gets me to 40. And then I have 21 left over. The answer should have been 61. All right, let's take a look at the homework page, and I will tell you what should be snowflakes and what should be circled. Okay, your homework page is 247, 248. I'm going to snowflake 1 and 3, circle 2, snowflake 4, ooh, circle 5, that's a good one. Okay. And then on the back side, snowflake 1, and then you can circle the rest of them. Okay. You can tear this out and work on this. When you get done, I would like you to complete extra math and then get on Dreambox. I'm going to go through and I'm going to read the word problems for you. So if you want to keep this up and listen to me read the problems out loud, that's fine. So I'm going to skip down to number 4. Number 4 is a snowflake. 1, 2, and 3 all have the same directions. Show how you would make one add-in, so one of your math numbers, a quick and friendly 10, and complete my new addition sentence, which would mean that you would change one of these numbers to a friendly 10, and then whatever you have left over, and then find the sum. Number 4, the oak tree at the school was 34 feet tall. Then it grew 18 feet taller. How tall is the oak tree now? Number 5, explain why you would make one of the add-ins in a tens number. Explain why you would make one of the add-ins a tens number when solving an addition problem. So explain to me why you think it's a good idea to get to a friendly 10 and change that addition sentence a little bit so it's easier for you to solve. On the back side, number 1, you have to solve for what is the sum, same for number 2. Number 3, circle the even number. So which one of these would have a partner? Number 4, Andrew sees 4 fish. Kim sees double that number of fish. So how many fish does Kim see? Number 5, write a related subtraction fact for 7 plus 6 equals 13, which means that you're going to use the digits 7 and 6, and you're going to use the number 13 to tell me a true subtraction fact. Number 6, what is the sum? Again, when you're all done, you're going to complete extra math and then get on Dreambox. Thank you, friends.